Blue, say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Blue, where's the Hennessy at? Alright, so let's test this out first. We got some Seagrams, ginger ale. I got some hen. I got my red Solo cup. Let's try this out. Let's put a splash. I'm not really a fan of ginger ale, but I can see why people would like this. Ginger ale is kind of like that crisp taste, and Hennessy is just also, as you know, very strong flavor. So I'm gonna drink this first, and then we'll get to the first problem. What's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking into the Hennessy Teacher, the YouTube channel where we drink Hennessy and solve math problems. On this week's episode, we're gonna find out how to solve velocity problems. Just one thing I want to clear up. Last week, one of my viewers let me know that there was an error in the solution. So just want to show that to you guys real quick. So in the problem that it was last time, it was differentiate y equals sine of 5x. The derivative I got, the answer was 5 cosine x, but I forgot to put the 5 in there. So it should have been 5 cosine 5x. To the viewer that caught that, thanks very much. They're trying to keep everything here, as correct as possible. So, I am drinking Hennessy, so I might get stuff wrong, along the way. So just want to, clear that up. This week I'm going to try a different drink. I'll just show you guys. You can guys get this, whenever you guys go out. One of my viewers actually told me to recommend this drink for me. So this drink is Hennessy mixed with ginger ale. I just got some Seagrams. You can pick this up at any store. You can get some can of dry also. Still works, very well. So let's test it out and see how it tastes. It's not bad. I like my stuff a lot sweeter than this. Ginger ale has like a crisp taste. That's why I usually go with the cranberry juice. But it's still good. Whenever you guys go out to the club or you go out socializing, you can get this Hennessy with ginger ale. It tastes pretty good. So now that's out of the way, let's get to the first problem. Let's do this derivative real quick. Alright, so in this problem, we have the position function. We have to solve for the velocity function, and that's just the derivative of this equation. So let's do that now. To solve the derivative of this polynomial, you have to break it up into two parts. You have to do the derivative of the first part first, times this, plus the derivative of the second part times the first. Okay, so let's call it A and B. So the equation is B plus A. Okay? So let's do that. Derivative of the t squared is 2t. And then we're going to have the e 2t here. We're going to do plus. Derivative of b is 2e of 2t times t squared. Okay, so this is our derivative, or this is our velocity function. All right. So they want us to find out when the velocity is equal to 0. So now what we have to do is we have to solve this equation and make it set it equal to 0. So let's do that now. So we're going to do T2. Alright, so here you can see we have an e to the 2t on this side, so let's combine like terms and let's separate. So let's do e to the 2t. Here we have 2t plus, and then here we have a 2t squared is equal to 0. Alright, so now that you've reached this point, what you can do is you can cancel out the e to t. Whenever you have e to 0, it becomes 1. So you can just take this out, and then you're left with 2t plus 2t squared is equal to 0. Here, we have a 2t, and another 2t, you can factor that out. So let's do that. And then you're left with 1 plus t is equal to 0. And so now, you know that this equation is equal to 0 whenever t is 0 or when t is equal to -1. So let's just solve the derivative real quick. How did I come up with 0 and -1? So when 2t, 1 plus t equals 0, whenever you have a 0, this becomes a 0 times 1 plus t. And any 0 times anything becomes 0. Let's do if 0. And if -1, you'll have -2, and then 1 minus -1 becomes 0. This also becomes 0. And that's how you can check your answer. Alright, so that wraps it up for this week, guys. If you guys have any questions or have any comments, just leave them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. If you guys have any Hennessy recipes that you want me to try out, you can send that as well. I have a hat company that you can buy these hats from. Put that in the description. If you guys have just any comments at all, just let me know, and make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.